Hey, what's up guys? It's Inca4x4. We got Daniel. Daniel, can you pop out? There he is, the man. You can follow his Nissan Frontier at One Less Tacoma on YouTube. And then always OPOP helping out, Undercover Tundra, and then Inca4x4. But we're installing his camper today. You guys are not gonna wanna miss this. We're gonna be posting some new YouTube stuff, and yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I appreciate you guys for checking us out. Hey guys, so hot today in the shop. Daniel's here, and OPOP's helping out. Make sure, again, to subscribe to their YouTube channel. We got his camper in, and we got the topper. We're gonna go over his setup here. His Nissan Frontier is really badass. He did this himself. He's got a little layout out here to sit when he's inside the camper, and he's got a backseat delete he did, and we're gonna go over all the lights and switches on the topper and go over the camper. But he's got a 270 awning, the shower awning. It's gonna be a nice build, so I'm gonna do a little time lapse, show you about it, and we'll go over the whole setup. So again, appreciate it, OPOP, Daniel, for letting us do this. Thank you. See, oh, so here's oh look, he's got the Inca4x4 tool bag.
It is slam.
There you go. You can get all his tools and everything. But look at this delete here. He's got this is a cubby right here, right?
Yeah, where the fridge will sit. I got some tabs I got to put on here, but you got all this storage space.
Oh, nice.
And then I got cabinetry.
I got a little tab. If you want, we could just do it.
Okay,
a little handle.
We'll see what we can do. And then,
Oh, damn! That was a little where you keep your
here and
medical marijuana. Wow, dude, this is awesome.
And then this was for a Tacoma.
But this is not a Tacoma, right?
This is one less Tacoma.
One less Tacoma on the road. Thank God.
All my patches everywhere. I gotta add more in here. There's Inca right there.
Oh, there we go. Dude, this is awesome. Daniel's already modifying his camper. Look at this. That's nice with the amber lights and the red. And I'm telling you, he's got a good eye, because he's getting red accessories for his truck. He said coilovers and the brakes.
And shout out to Inca4x4 for giving me a good deal on these agency 6 handles. Normally you get these for $110 for a pair, but I got a pair for 40 bucks. So thank you, Inca4x4.
All right, it's pretty hot here today, but we're moving along. We're wiring up the brake lights. Daniel is basically putting his 6-gang switches, so it's going to be flush underneath the platform he made here. And then pretty much we're going to put the rooftop tent on and put the awnings, but just kind of dropping you in to see the progress. All the wires are getting tucked in through these rails. And then we modified the actual brackets. OPOP set them up so they're going to be nice and flush and secure the topper to the truck. So this is where we're at so far. Hey guys, remember we can do this custom for you. Daniel in specific didn't want it going past the sunroof, so he can still use that. Hey guys, so we wrapped up with this build. There's a little things we have to finish here and there, but Daniel did a great job on his interior. He's got a whole build out. He's gonna be out in Colorado, and you'll see him. Make sure to follow him at One Less Tacoma. He's got the OVS 270 awning, the Inca4x4 camper. He did a delete in the rear, so he's got a nice little platform. He's gonna have a fridge. He's got 200-watt solar panel. His Nissan Frontier Pro 4X is a really nice build. At first glance, it does look like a Tacoma, but this is totally not a Tacoma. So I'm really glad to help out Daniel with this. I can't wait to see the trips.